Thank you for joining our Wagemaster Tutorials. Today we're going through how to set up child support payment in your Wagemaster payroll file. Alright, let's jump right in. So I already opened my Wagemaster. Just need to click on setup. Allowances. Now I already do have some child support payment. So what I will do, I'm gonna add a new one. And this is gonna be a standard allowance. And I will get a name for this 2024. Now this is going to be a deduction, and you have to put the amount, so you will get the amount from the child support agency. I would say $150, and you need to take this option as the child support payment. You go into next. In this screen, it will be a little bit different to the STP2. STP2, you need to put a STP2 sub reporting group, which is for the child support payment. It will be deduction and it will be fees. Okay, we just add that child support payment in. Now let's have a quick look how you're gonna see it on the payslip. I will use one of my full-time employee. Now this employee might have already okay. So let's going to add the child support payment 2024. Okay, so the top line it says the salary, then the this employee got another superannuation for salary sacrifice, which is $100, and it's paid taxable gross. Then it will deduct that child support payment from the taxable gross. So the net will be this one, but before it's getting to net, it's deducting this. So after this payslip will be complicated. So this employee got salary and it's deduct the salary sacrifice for superannuation, which is $100. Then from the taxable gross, it's deducting the tax and also for the child support payment. So child support payment always comes after tax. Now if you're happy with it, you can save it, and that's how you set it up, the child support payment, and how you process it in the payslip. Alrighty, thank you for watching everyone. If you need more information or assistance, please have a look at our help center articles or book one-on-one consultancy and training session with our team. All are linked in the description box, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a like if you enjoy. Have a great day.